Hey boos! Have you had your coffee yet? Wow! I don't know what was going on, but apparently I can't say, have you had your coffee yet? Oh wait, I can. Okay, let's start over. Hey boos! Have you had your coffee yet? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, notification bell, and let's keep the family growing. So today I'm trading in my coffee for some tea because I think I'm coming down with something.
5 hours later.
Bear with me, I'm a little bit tired, I'm a little bit sleepy, but who needs sleep, right? You can sleep when you're dead. Hopefully that's not for a very, very long time. Today's video, we are going to be making Feliz Navidad. Dun, 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 dun. Feliz Navidad. I need that more glue. I've made these little silhouette ornament with a little Christmas hat. So for this project, you're going to need your handy dandy hot glue gun. You're going to need construction paper, or you can also use cardboard. And then I also have this little sparkly craft paper, cotton swab. You can either use red paper, or I have this little bit remnant of red fabric. So I'm going to be using this because it gives it a little more like lazy lay, like a real Christmas hat would. So since I already have these, I did make a silhouette, a new silhouette, and this is a lot smaller than what I had before. I think I'm just going to make 2 more for the sake of this tutorial, and hopefully I make them look a little bit better than my originals. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut out 2 silhouettes, one in black and one in my glitter. Since she has afro hair and she's going to be a solid color, technically it doesn't really matter how you cut the hair. Just make it like a rounded shape. It is like 1 a.m. that I'm filming this, so nothing I say might make sense. Forgive me in advance. So you can always clip it down when you're doing your cuts so that everything stays in place. But because it's 1 a.m., I'm not gonna get up and look for clients. If you don't know how to draw a silhouette, you can always print out a shape. If you don't have a printer, you can always... I have no further advice. Sorry. It is 1 a.m. y'all. My brain is not working properly. And it's like probably way too late to try to have some coffee if I want to sleep after this. So please forgive your girl in advance. Oh my gosh, are you seeing what I'm doing? Oh crap. I filmed this whole thing off camera. It is 1 a.m. How many times am I gonna say that? I literally filmed, I mean, I guess this part isn't too important, as long as I get the rest of it on the overhead. What time is it again, guys? Comment down below, because I haven't said it enough. Let's just continue. These might not be perfect. This is only an idea to inspire you guys, again, to make your own. And I just thought this would be a fun spin because we have the wreath. Now we need some ornaments to go with it. Oh my gosh, do I sound like I'm drunk, y'all? I am not drunk, I'm just really tired. Okay, let's move along so that I can stop saying I'm tired and go to sleep. All right. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to just cut 2 triangular shapes into our fabric. And you want to go ahead and measure her hair. I don't want the hat to be on her whole head, just about halfway maybe. So I think, okay, so let's just cut a section off here first. My cut is not perfect, and that's okay because we're going to be folding the corners and nobody's going to notice. It's 1 a.m. It's probably 2 a.m. by now. I need to stop saying the time. So here we have 2 lovely odd shaped pieces of fabric. So we're just going to form them into Christmas hats. And what we'll do, we're going to hot glue the edges and basically fold them inwards. For your silhouettes, you literally can do any kind of shape you want. I also have a girl with a puff. You can also do just a silhouette, and maybe you can add lips and then put the Christmas hat right there. You can probably do a little girl with like puff pigtails, and the possibilities are endless. And you just add a little Christmas hat on her, and I think it's going to turn out to look magnificent. For the perfectionists out there, as I said, this is an idea and inspiration for you guys. So obviously go ahead and make it as perfect as you want. For me, perfection is mine are going to just look perfectly imperfect. If it wasn't at 1 a.m., maybe I would have gotten a ruler and maybe I would have traced out my pattern and maybe I would have made it perfectly perfect. But it is, again, 1 a.m. Comment down below, how many times do you think I've said 1 a.m. so far in this video? Whoever gets it right gets a prize. Prize is my love. That was so cheesy. If you do go ahead and make these, I definitely want to see. So don't forget to tag me on IG. I definitely want to see. Don't forget to tag me on IG. Your girl is like a rapper because she has bars. Okay. Tough crowd. My IG is sendcoffeeplease_. Find me on IG. That's where I will be. I'm just going to go ahead and place it on my girl. About right here. It doesn't have to be perfect, and you don't have to fold this part in if you don't want to, because it's going to be covered with the cotton balls. Like a leprechaun. Okay, I'm not funny at 1 a.m. Another one. So I'm going to cut my cotton balls into strips because it's going to be too puffy to be standalone. And I'm just going to put each pieces on the bottom like so. You can probably fluff it out a little bit so it looks better. But I'm just going to hot glue gun it right down there. Please subscribe. I want it to fall this way. So I'm just going to glue it down like this so that it falls like that, and I'm just gonna put this piece in there. Ta-da! So this one, I think I'm going to make this one fall to the front. Even though it looks really good falling from the back, but we're just gonna make it fall to the front. Just so we have a little bit of diversity or different options. So now we're just gonna jazz them up a little bit. Oh. Okay, so I'm putting real hoops on her and I'm, ow. Oh no. What is wrong with me? I know. Comment down below, what do you think is wrong with me right now? So she has real hoops because, well, why not? So I know you guys are gonna ask me how I hang them, and all I do is I turn them around and I use the regular strings that came with the ornaments. So I need 2. I just tie it up. I just get a piece of cardboard and I use it to press it down just to hold it a little bit more. You can always embellish them a little bit more. You can add jewelry, you can add more ornaments to their hair. Just so you guys get a little bit more inspired, I'm going to go ahead and show you the DIY fails that I've done today. These are some of the other ornaments that I've made. Some are worse than others. Some are okay, I guess. We have this lovely lady. This is the one with the ponytail. And we have this one. If I cut up some lighter paper and use that as her face and give her like a nose, I think she'll look better. This was my absolute fail. But maybe you guys will be inspired. So I was trying to make a mini wreath with, but I think the reason why it fails because I have to find ornaments that are small enough, or maybe I have to go get some better beads. The beads I had were a lot too small, but I think this will be a good idea in theory, okay, to make a mini ornament wreath thing. Technically, this is not a challenge. I came up with this design, but what do you guys think? Did I pass or did I fail? I think some of these look pretty good. I think especially like, I think she looks pretty fly. Does she look fly? Or no? Before I forget, let me know in the comments below what videos you would like to see coming from me next. This is going to be the 12 DIYs of Christmas, and I think this is DIY number 4. But yeah, let me know in the comments below. What are some things that you would like for me to try and tackle? So thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, may your hair game be as strong as... Oh wait, this is tea. And now it's cold. But I love you, latte. Bye, booze. Hey, booze. Hey, booze. Get it together. Hey, booze. Have you had your coffee yet? Let's get to 10K. Let's get to 10K. Let's get to 10K. Let's get to 10K.